I feel great, Shabana.
You want to go back your country?
It's private, but no, I do not. I'm from Pakistan now.
How Pakistan helped and take care of you?
Shabana, would you like to speak, Shabana? Okay, she's been taking care of me. Thank you very much.
Taking care of yours.
Yes, everybody. This is my team.
Okay.
Yes, hi.
Now you are feeling well.
Yes, I'm going for sonogram.
Okay.
Yes.
ओके बिल्कुल सच्चो शबाना जिलानी के साथ बहुत मुतमईन है ये खातून और बहुत खुश नजर आती हैं सो मच
She's waiting for sign. Yeah, wait, kare. Just wait.
Please go.